Hello everyone, just a quick video about new knives that I received recently. So we have the, this is a 11mm, so Hunter XT. So this is my second. I only had for this range the Soldier 2008. So I got another 111, which is the Forester. So a good knife too. There will be, of course, reviews about all these knives. So I've got a new 91mm, the Fisherman. Review about it, of course, in the future. I also got a new one, the Traveler, which is unfortunately discontinued. No, so I think it will be a collector in the future. I'll make a review about this one too, so it will be in discontinued models. And the last one, which is a TimeKeeper. I did a review about it with this one, so the red, and I really wanted to have a black TimeKeeper. It's not easy to find, and I got it. So in brand new condition. Also got this paper, which wasn't with the red one, so I'm really happy about it. So won't be a review about this one because I did a review about the TimeKeeper, but maybe I'll show it in the new series I will make about special knives that I have and that I didn't make a review about, all that. So that's it for the new knives. So 5 knives. Didn't get them all of them the same day, of course, but over a week, I would say. That's it. As usual, if you like the video, leave a thumbs up, like, leave comments what you think about all these new knives. If you have questions, also in the comment section, I always answer them. There's also the channel's Instagram account link in the description, so have a look. And obviously plenty of videos coming, etc, etc. Don't forget to subscribe, activate the little notification bell for notifications where there's a new video out. And in the meantime, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, be well, and see you next time. Bye bye.
You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you dig in?